How to log in on Facebook Lite. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you visually to log in into your Facebook application on the Lite version. So let's just dive right in and get started. First of all, if you do not have the Lite, you can go to Play Store and you can just go and search directly for Facebook Lite and then download this application right here. Once it is installed, you can just go and directly tap on this open or tap on the app to open it up. And then once you tap open the application, you will directly find the login page on your screen if you're new to the app. Now, once you launch it up, in the first field, you just need to enter up your credentials. And so in the first box right here, you need to provide in your email address or your phone number associated with your Facebook account. So go ahead and provide it up. And right below it, we need to provide in a password. So just go over and type in your Facebook password in the second field. Once it is done, look out for this option called login, the blue login button to access your account. You just need to tap on that login option. If you've forgotten your password, you can look out for this forgotten password option and reset it via your email or phone number. And while you are logging in, ensure that you have a stable internet connection and also double check your email and phone number and password for typos. Once you're okay with it, just tap on this login option. And once you tap on it, you will directly be logged in on your Facebook Lite application very easily. And you can access the same feature that you usually have on your Facebook. And that's it. So you can just go and follow this process and log in into your Facebook application this way using the Facebook Lite. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we hope to see you in another one.